four different ways to make an app. Okay, the first way is you hire a coder or a developer and give him a blueprint. Blueprint means what exactly you want to get it developed. Okay, and he will get it done. The first the first one, which will cost you 1 lakh rupees per version. Okay, now that is, we are not going to do it for sure. That's why we are doing this course. Second method is we can develop a basic app with the help of CMS app, with the CMS app maker. Like we have a website CMS that was WordPress. Now we have a CMS that is known as Como, through which we can develop a basic app. So for that you open como.com. Okay, and in the top there is an option called Como Div. Click on that, and there is an option called sorry, create app. Click on that. Okay, after that give name to your app whatever you want to. Let's say I want to give it name as Scholars Pro Academy, like I want to develop it for a company. Then click on next. If I have a Facebook page, I can connect it with it. If I don't have, then click here. We have a website, so let me give the URL of website. That will help you. If you don't have, then it doesn't matter much. Okay, now what type of website it is? It is not an e-commerce store. It is not a store. It is not fashion and clothing. It is not bar, restaurant, foods, hair and beauty. There are various pre-built templates for these kind of websites. So I'm selecting others because I do not come in any of the category. Then I click on next. Okay. As website has two parts, similarly here are two parts with the app. One is styling and navigation. Second is features. So first of all, we will talk about features. So I click on all features. Then there are approximately 25 plus features available with this. I'm going to explain each one of them one by one. One is audio. You can give an audio file which can play your audio files. Book a table, like if you are a restaurant kind of thing, you can use this book a table type of application. Then it is book an appointment. Book an appointment is you are a consultant, doctor kind of person. So you can have book an appointment application so that your user can book an appointment with you. Okay, the next one is about us, where you can talk about you, like let me show you, where all the things about you will be explained in detail. You can explain various things like get in touch, links to your website, Facebook page, and information of your locations as well. Okay, a lot of things you can mention into it. Callers will give you a call button and he can click on it and make a direct call to you. Collection is very similar to have collection of various things, location, food items, whatever, a menu bar kind of thing. Contact us will be like a complete contact us page where call, map, email, link, everything will be there. For coupons, if you want to provide coupons through it, you have an option called coupon. This is majorly where there is a buying thing happens. Custom is basically you can add custom content into it. Okay, complete on your own. Email us is very similar. People can click and send an email directly to you. Event, if you are organizing events, if you are into event industry, then you can do that. Facebook, Facebook page, you want to show the Facebook wall, you can show it directly. Forms, you can build forms into it like this. Sorry, this one. Loyalty programs are like, have you seen cashback systems or point system on credit cards? These are loyalty programs in which you get certain points if you buy this and different kinds of things. People have to collect certain set of points and they will get, after giving 100 points or 200 points, they will get something out of it. That kind of thing. Then maps, then news, basically your blogs, you can show it to the user. Okay. Food delivery, if you are a food delivery, if you are into food delivering kind of thing, you can select how much they can order and everything into it. PDF files, if you want to upload, you can use that. Pictures you want to upload, a gallery you want to make, you can use this one. Reviews about you, your company, or about a review website if you're a review app you're making, like Yelp. Scratch cards, like earlier it was used too much. Sorry, it was used a lot, but nowadays it's not used that much. That is scratch cards. They give you coupons. Stores is basically for e-commerce stores. You can select different, you can build an e-commerce store over here itself. Twitter is very similar. You can show your Twitter wall over here. Video, you can add video, how to do things and more things into a video. You can connect it to YouTube directly and you can see it. Web pages is basically you can add web pages of your website, which link to your website and you can open it easily. Web link is like you can give links of various resources which are available with. Okay, so this is all features available. You can use any one of them. Let me show you using collection. Collection, in that content is getting loaded. You can build a catalog and a size and a description of it. Let's say I'm giving you a tutorial. Let's say catalog name, we will change it. Let's say I'm giving you notes, so I write mobile marketing. Okay. Description, details, whatever you want to write, details about mobile marketing. It's not mandatory to write the description and then an image if you want to give it. Let's give it. They have a specific size. If you can give that, then it's always good. If not, then it's also fine. Let's give this, because right now I don't have it. Okay, let me give scholars, not pro, and then save it. Okay, add another category. Okay, like this you can add multiple categories into it. Okay, now you have a category. You can add a background image to it. You can change the name of the collection as a digital marketing course. Okay. Okay, now you have a digital marketing course. No item found. Why? Okay, in mobile marketing, add a category. It's mobile tool. Okay, add your item into it. Okay, anything you can add it into it. You can add images, title, subtitle, content, category, URL to purchase it, pricing and everything. Okay, and you can add into it anything. So that is collection. Okay, I suppose money saved here. Oh shit, I didn't save it. So that's why it is not coming. Otherwise it will come. Apart from that, you can add like Facebook. You can see everything is there. Okay, even video channel. Expect our video channel, which is online available. By default, it's picked. If you want to edit, you can edit it always. It has picked our channel. Okay, YouTube channel. If you want to give any other channel, you can always give it. Or you want to give any playlist, you can always give it. That is purely your choice. Maps, you can see they have picked our location. Contact us. Scholars Pro, you can put address, everything. They have picked everything from my website, that's all. Okay. So about us, they have everything about us. If you want to add, you can always add any feature like a PDF file to upload a PDF. Let me check. Whatever the name of PDF file is, you can write that over here. It will take time to upload. Just wait till the time it gets uploaded. It's showing now. Okay. Okay, so the file you can show it to the user directly. Multiple files you can upload it by adding another one like this. You can upload as many as you want. Okay. If you change the name of the file, like get response okay, and you can find it at written as get response. Right, better. Okay, so everything you can do it. You can develop the whole app. Now, apart from this, now if I talk about interface, you can select various themes over here. The various theme colors are available. You can pick any one of them like this. Okay. Styling type, you can pick it like this one, even this one. You can always. After that, name if you want to change it from scholarspro.com, you write it Scholars Pro. Let's say Academy. Okay, it's not coming Scholars Pro Academy, so let it be Scholars Pro. There is no benefit. You can change these color type. You want to put a logo, you can put a logo. I have it. I suppose I've seen that logo somewhere. That is perfectly coming. Okay. Scholars Pro is perfectly coming into it, and then you can change the background color, whatever color you want to have it. Okay, like I want to have it white, so it's look good white behind it. And then app icon is basically by which logo icon it will be open. If you want to have your own one, then you can have that, place that your own one. Otherwise, you can upload your own one. I'm again uploading the logo. Prefer to have a logo. Okay, so app icon you can put it. A launch image is basically the time between when you click on the icon and time to open the application. There is a time left between the two. That is known as launch image. So what you want to keep on that, you can name that thing over here. Okay, like this, you can do a lot of things into it by changing overlay colors, background images, whatever you want. Okay, you can change it if you want to put it your own one, you can change it. You want to have a overlay color like these are. Okay, any overlay color on any image, like overlay. Okay, so it gives you a bit of blue shade over it. Button color, everything you can change it from here. Once it is done, then click on done in editing, and then save it. Then it will ask you to log in. Let me log in with my email ID, Facebook. Okay. Once it is done, now it's time for payment. Okay, you can buy this. Let me convert into INR. Uh, sorry. And that will be 4,000 rupees per month. If you buy it for 2 years, then it will cost you 2,900 rupees per month. That will be 3,000 rupees. And you can even apply a coupon code as well. That is exclusive coupon I have, that is Como Now 25. If you apply that, even you can save a good amount of money, approximately 17 to 20,000 rupees on it. Like you can see, it saves, coupon savings is 7,500 rupees. So overall, total price was 96,000. You are paying only 52,000. Okay. So it is that, but if you do not want to pay it for an year, let me show you. Just give me a second. Okay, if you do not want to pay for 2 years, you can pay for 1 year as well. That will reduce up your cost to like quite good amount. It will be 33,000, 3,300, 3,400 per month, but with the same coupon of Como Now 25, that will save your cost up to, I have not never tried it. It's loading. Okay, the session was out, I suppose. It's not converting into INR. I don't know why. But you can try some other time. Might be because I'm trying so many times applying different coupons. So there is some network error. I don't know what happened with them. Manisha says in this case it requires to renew after 1 or 2 years. If you buy it monthly, then you are giving a credit card. It will auto deduct the rest of the payments monthly by month. Okay, if you build it annually, then they will deduct your payments on monthly basis. Okay, or yearly basis, whatever plan you select. They will deduct it after a period of time, whatever the monthly payments are. And they will not allow you to put coupons once you buy it. Okay. For after this, you have to buy a new one only if you want a discount coupon. You have to build the application again and you have to buy it again. Won't it be better to have it done through a coder as it is? It will be for lifetime. We can decide on. I'm just telling you various other options as well. You say trying it from a developer, like for two platform it will cost you 2 lakh rupees, but if we see cost of this application on both the platform, this can be run on both iOS as well as Android. So the cost for 2 years is almost 52,000 rupees. But the point here is, after 2 years, if you do not feel to continue, you don't have to invest that the rest 1.5 lakh rupees. Okay, because the amount of 2 lakh rupees will be consumed in next 8 years. Okay, you do not have to invest front end this a bigger amount. And if you want to go monthly one, like 4,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees a month, sorry, you can continue that as long as you think this app is profitable for you. Okay, that is the advantage. Disadvantage is that is a basic app, but you can get an advanced app from the developer in 2 lakh rupees, 2.5 lakh rupees, customized, properly customized for you. Okay, now third point as well.